today at Lansam Retainer to represent an interior design done by Elemmentz Limitless Living. We feel that designing a new home or renovating a new home is an overwhelming process, as there is a numerous decisions that need to be made while designing a home. Therefore, we are offering a one-stop solution for our clients to help them with the interior design process. Starting with the living room. In this project, we have opted for a classic style wall beading to add texture and pattern to this room. As we wanted this home to appear intimate yet utilitarian, we added TV unit for this room. This has wall mounted premium wooden grains laminated with the black tinted glass. This sleek and modern design makes the room more spacious. Moving to the dining space, we have added a dining console cabinet and ensure that same blends with the overall design theme. This makes the area look more organized while creating storage for plenty of stuff so that you don't have to run into your kitchen for everything. To highlight the space, our team added premium wooden grain laminate with golden texture wallpaper from the evolved interior cabinet lightings. Coming to the master bedroom, we have used floor-to-ceiling sliding mechanism for wardrobe with a campaign profile and premium wooden grains laminate paired with a champagne glass finish to give endearment to our ambience. Along with that, to welcome a guest in a style, we have used this floor-to-ceiling sliding mechanism for wardrobe with almond and green lacquered glass, finished with a solid grey matte laminate paired with a pebble grey laminate in the guest bedroom. Whereas, talking about a kid's bedroom, we have used sparkle snow white finish with the earthy brown lacquered glass to create energy in the room. Our experts have especially incorporated a U-cut drawer in the toilet vanity for maximum utilization of space. Here for the modular kitchen, we have paired with a premium wooden grains laminate with a wool color matte laminate and a wall unit shutter with a sleek black profile and frosted glass. Detailing enhance the look and feel of your home, and also therefore we have taken care of all our functionality and convenience by including some of all the finest materials like quartz, countertops being non-porous, hardware and accessories from Häfele, built-in dishwasher, hood, oven, etc. in the kitchen, which also ensures longevity. Elemmentz has incorporated a stylistic language in all parts of a home for client to experience grandeur.